Hey, how's the day been? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're gonna walk you through how to hide clock from Taskbar and Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So, firstly, move your cursor to the clock located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on Adjust Date and Time, which will open the settings menu. So we have to scroll down to find Language and Region. Next, click on Administrative Language Settings. Now we have to navigate to Format and then select Additional Settings. Within the Time tab, adjust the short time for format to S. It's advisable to copy this settings somewhere in case you need it later, but if you don't, resetting it is an option. For the date, input the 3 Ds in all lower cases and click Apply. Now you'll notice that the date and time have disappeared, leaving only the day of the week visible. It's unclear why the day of the week remains, but it's a partial solution if you wish to hide the date and time. Now, how can we revert this? So to revert the changes, return to this menu and click Reset, then confirm by selecting Yes. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.